Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2 using your phone. All you need to have to do this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And at the right side of the charging case we have also USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. In the front side we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!